Have you ever wondered how a single scandal can haunt a company for years? Today, we're diving into the profound and enduring effects of reputation damage. Reputation is crucial in business. A damaged reputation can lead to significant financial losses, affecting areas like revenue and investments. Let's explore how this happens. The Boeing crisis is a prime example. After the 737 MAX accidents, trust among airlines, passengers, regulators, and the public was severely eroded, leading Southwest Airlines to turn to Airbus for new airplanes. Businesses face interconnected threats like geopolitical tensions and evolving AI in cybercrime. These factors create a volatile environment where reputational damage can occur swiftly and last long. Recovery often requires acknowledgement of issues, unlike reactive management which only addresses surface problems. Persistent stories in digital media make it hard to separate the leader from their legacy. Reputational damage can impact not just the current leaders but also future stakeholders, affecting everything from employee retention to customer acquisition and shareholder value. In summary, a damaged reputation is both financial and lasting. Understanding its depth helps in better managing and mitigating risks associated with such damage. So there you have it, the far-reaching consequences of reputational damage. What insights did you find most surprising? Share your thoughts in the comments below.